10 years ago this week, Trayvon Martin was shot and killed in a Sanford neighborhood as he walked home from a convenience store carrying a bag of Skittles and a can of iced tea. The gunman, George Zimmerman, was later acquitted of murder. The shooting prompted conversations about race and Florida's controversial Stand Your Ground self-defense law.
News 6 investigator Mike DeForest recently caught up with some of the attorneys involved in this case. And Mike, those high-profile lawyers actually agree on some things.
Surprisingly, yes, Matt. Benjamin Crump, who represented Trayvon Martin's family, still believes the teen was murdered. George Zimmerman's attorney, Mark O'Mara, successfully argued that his client was merely defending himself. Now, despite having opposing views on what happened that February night 10 years ago, they both agree Trayvon Martin left behind a powerful legacy.
You can't kill unarmed teenagers and go home and sleep in your bed at night.
It's been nearly a decade since attorney Benjamin Crump received a phone call from the family of Trayvon Martin, describing how the 17-year-old had been gunned down in a Sanford community by neighborhood watchman George Zimmerman.
The police said they're not going to arrest him because this thing called Stand Your Ground.
That Florida law authorizes the use of deadly force to prevent imminent death or great bodily harm with no duty to retreat.
My frustration is the Zimmerman case has now put Stand Your Ground out there and people think, well, I can just shoot. Shooting should still be the absolute last resort for any of us.
Attorney Mark O'Mara successfully defended Zimmerman after prosecutors later charged him with second-degree murder.
We, the jury, find George Zimmerman not guilty.
Despite the law's association with this case, O'Mara did not invoke Stand Your Ground during the trial. Instead, he argued his client shot Martin in self-defense after the teen allegedly attacked Zimmerman first.
But unfortunately, the publicity that has now wrapped itself around Stand Your Ground, I think, has emboldened people. So we have more shootings rather than less.
According to a medical journal study published just this week, Stand Your Ground laws have led to an 8 to 11% increase in homicides nationwide. That's an extra 58 to 72 deaths each month.
We were hopeful that the Stand Your Ground laws would be repealed.
But while Trayvon Martin's death may not have prompted changes in the nation's gun laws, the attorneys agree it has brought awareness to racial injustice.
I represent a lot of black males in the criminal justice system, and I know the biases that exist in the criminal justice system. But it really never got to the front page. It just never did.
Trayvon was the first case in our time that raised the consciousness level of America to the plight of marginalized people of color.
Both attorneys believe recent jury verdicts in the deaths of George Floyd and Ahmaud Arbery reflect the growing awareness of racial bias.
I think that was part of Trayvon's legacy.
The system still has a long way to go. I'm just glad that we have put a light on it that I think wasn't there before the Trayvon's death.
Benjamin Crump shares Mark O'Mara's belief that America's justice system still needs work. But 10 years after Trayvon Martin's death, both attorneys seem optimistic that positive changes are occurring. Matt and Lisa?
Certainly. An interesting update 10 years later after that case.
So hard to believe it's been 10
right?
years. Mike DeForest, thank you so much.